Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. AGIX also participated a little bit in the rally of the recent lows that were printed at 22.7 cents on the 10th of May. However, as explained before, while the low could technically be in, it can be in with most coins, to be honest, the current price action doesn't really give us a lot of evidence. Yeah, it would be very speculative because the move of the low, which was again made here on the 10th or 11th of May, was just corrective. So we have an ABC structure here to the upside. And also the latest move up it's not fully convincing me that this is something bullish. It could be, but as I said, you know, ABC structures to the upside, they can follow through to the upside in a diagonal pattern. Basically here, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. But obviously they don't have to, and they can, but it doesn't really give you an edge, okay? From an analysis point of view, as long as I only have corrective wave structures to the upside, and as long as we are below resistance, and resistance goes here all the way up to 34.5 cents, that is the Fibonacci resistance, yeah? As long as we stay below that level, I have to count this as wave 4. And actually, I did already put on here alternative wave 4, the high here, and because it's made a new high, I will have to move that 4 over here. It then creates out of all of this a larger ABC structure. So this turned into an A, this is a B and a C. That was one of the possibilities provided, and it is now in resistance. This is the next pivot point where market will need to make a decision. If you look at the Fibonacci extensions, we take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave. Price has reached the 78.6 extension. That is one of the targets for a C wave, not a very common one. Normally you see the 1-to-1 ratio, 35 cents. If we get there and just have a small spike, that's fine. At the moment I have no, let's say, reliable information that this move up is over. It can certainly still push higher in the short term, but I need to see a reliable move above the 34.5 cent level to indicate that we have seen a bottom here. To be honest, because of this wave structure, which is not great, it doesn't really give you much of an edge, right? There are better setups out there. I would need to see a wave 1, I would need to see a wave 2, they could be in, but now I need to see a wave 3. That would need to be a, oh, 1 second, I need to move that. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. 1, 2, this could turn into a 3, 4, 5. I need to see that to indicate we have bottomed, and then as soon as we have 5 waves up, I can calculate a support area for a wave 2, because all of this would then count as a wave 1 and the move down as wave 2. So again, this is not just the best setup, right? There are better ones out there, I think. But bear in mind, on this time frame, maybe not, but overall, we still have, we are still in the larger trend reversal area responsible for this wave 2, or that relates to this wave 2. And yeah, the low could be in, but it could also make another low. That is at this stage not predictable, I would say, but as soon as we have a break above 34.5 cents, certainly a larger bounce will become likely, and that could turn into something more bullish. But it could also just become an extended correction, like, for example, a WXY structure where we had here then an A wave, a B wave, and a C. So there are, no, 1 second, that was wrong. That was wrong. So X, no, 1 second, 1 second. It would be a WXY structure, and then this move down would have been an A wave, here a B, and a C, and come down again. But that's all, you know, stuff for the future, highly speculative, no evidence for that. At the moment, nothing happened. Literally, we can focus on the current wave count, which suggests one more low, is at least likely. It doesn't need it, I can tell you that as well. Consider that in your trading decisions, and also understand that below the 17.3 cent level, which is the 78.6 retracement, this 1-2 setup, the larger 1-2 setup, will most likely not work out and become very, very unreliable. Okay, so this is the pivot point for something much more bearish. It's now in the trend reversal area, allowed to turn around at any time. At present, all I have at the moment is a 3-wave structure to the upside, which could turn into something more bullish. As soon as I see something more bullish, I will of course make you aware. Alright, that's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.